Dad, why is the sky green?
Green? Look, it's not grey.
It's green. That's weird, right?
That's not weird. That's bad. Lily, get your shoes now.
Why? What's happening?
No time to explain. Shoes. Now, please.
David, tornado warning just came through this area right now.
I saw the sky. Basement. Everyone, go.
A real tornado?
Lily, move. We'll talk after. Move now.
Under the stairs. Everyone, under the stairs.
Peter, help Lily. Sit her down first.
Here. Sit here. I'm right next to you.
Peter, I don't like this. I don't like this at all.
I don't either. But we're in the safest part of the house right now. Dad picked it on purpose. David, that sound.
I hear it. Everybody down. All the way down.
It sounds like a train. Why does it sound like a train?
That's what tornadoes sound like. I read about it once. It means it's close.
Close is bad.
Close is bad. But we're under the stairs. We're under a mattress. We're doing everything right.
Heads down. Stay low. Stay together.
We're okay. We're okay. Breathe with me. In, out.
The lights! The lights went out!
I've got you. Right here. Feel my hand?
I feel it. Don't let go.
Not letting go. Not ever.
This will pass. It always passes. Just a few more seconds.
A few more seconds. Just a few more. Is it going away?
Sounds like it. Everyone stay down a little longer. Just to be sure.
Peter, I was so scared.
Me too. I'm not going to pretend I wasn't.
But you didn't let go.
I told you. Not ever. I think it's over.
Stay here one more minute. I'm going to check upstairs.
David, be careful.
I will. I promise. It's clear. It's clear. Come on up. Carefully. There's a glass by the kitchen window.
Peter, look. The tree.
Whoa.
That could have been our house.
But it wasn't. We're okay. The house is okay. Broken window, a few things knocked over. That's it. That's all.
That's everything actually. That's the whole point. We are all standing here.
How did you know to go to the basement so fast?
Because the second the sky turns that color, there's only one right choice. Get low, get safe, think fast, worry later.
I'll remember that color forever now.
Good. That's mean it worked.
Dad, are we going to be okay? Like, is this going to happen again?
Storms happen, Peter. We can't stop that. But we know what to do now. You know what to do now. That's what's make a difference.
Basement. Under the stairs. Stay together.
Every time.
Mom? Yeah, sweetheart?
Today was scary. But I like that we were all together the whole time.
Me too. That's the part I'll remember most. Same here. Scary tornado. Good team.
Good team. Every single time.
Now let's learn 5 useful English words from the tornado adventure. These words will help you understand and speak English more naturally. Tornado. A tornado is a powerful spinning storm. Example: the family quickly went to the basement because a tornado was coming. Safe. Safe means protected from danger. Example: everyone felt safe after the storm was over. Basement. A basement is the lowest part of a house. Example: the family stayed safe in the basement during the storm. Together. Together means staying with one another. Example: the family stayed together during the tornado. Warning. A warning tells us about danger before it happens. Example: the phone gave a tornado warning before the storm arrived. Excellent! You learned 5 new English words today. Practice using them in your own sentences, and I'll see you in the next lesson. Goodbye! If you enjoyed today's story, don't forget to like this video and subscribe so you never miss the next adventure with our family. See you next time.